In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the brand new Brave wallet that was just released by the official Brave team. This is a secure crypto wallet and it is included right into the Brave browser. It's not an extension, so there is nothing that you need to download other than having the Brave browser installed. So in order to actually set up the Brave wallet, what you need to do is go to the top right of your Brave browser and click on this little wallet icon. If you don't see this, make sure that you're updated to the latest version of Brave. But once you do that, you should be able to see this wallet icon here. Go ahead and click on that and click on where it says get started. Now here we can either click on get started and create a new Brave wallet, or we can import our wallet from MetaMask or maybe a different wallet that we have. But let's just create a brand new wallet by clicking on get started right here. Now, because I have MetaMask installed, when I click on get started, it's going to ask if I want to import my crypto wallet's password from my MetaMask wallet. I don't want to do this. I want to create a brand new wallet. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on I've lost my password recovery phrase, create a new wallet. And here we're going to want to create a brand new password for our Brave wallet. So go ahead and make sure that this is something secure and make sure that you save it in a safe spot. The next step is we're going to create a 12-word recovery phrase, which we can use to recover our wallet if we ever lose access to it. But first we need to check this box that says that we understand if we lose our recovery words, we will not be able to access our crypto wallet. So let's go ahead and click on continue. We're going to see our 12-word recovery phrase right here. And we want to make sure that we never share this recovery phrase with anybody, because if we share this, then they will have access to our wallet, which means they will have access to all of our crypto and other assets. So it's just very important that you don't share this phrase with anybody. That's why I have it censored here. And you want to make sure that you write it down somewhere safe and secure where no one can access it. Once you have successfully saved this, click on I have backed up my phrase somewhere safe and click on continue. Now we just need to click on these words in the correct order that they were originally in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Now, once we have successfully entered in all of our words in the correct order, let's go ahead and click on verify. So now we will be taken to the Brave Wallet crypto portfolio page. This is where we can see our current portfolio. As you can see, we currently have zero balance right now because we haven't entered in any cryptocurrencies yet. We have this little warning message saying that this is not the default wallet, and we can go ahead and make it the default wallet by going to the settings. And right here at the top, we can go ahead and select Brave Wallet right here in the dropdown. Now, if we go back to our portfolio page, we can see we no longer see that warning, and we are now using our Brave wallet as our default wallet in our Brave browser. If we want to see all of our accounts that we have, we can go up to the account tab here, and we can see all of our accounts that we have, including secondary accounts that we can add if we want. On the right hand side, we have the option to buy, send, and swap different crypto. But that is basically how you set up the Brave wallet in the Brave browser. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.